guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first craft video. So we're going to be making a miniature house in a box. Let's see what we need. Cardboard, plastic and color papers, double-sided tape, blade and scissors, hot glue gun, adult supervision needed, and beads. We're going to start by taking the cardboard box and marking 2 squares on either side, one at the bottom and one at the top, like this. So I've cut out those 2 squares and it's gonna look like this. Next we're gonna cut out the flaps. So I've cut out the flaps, and this is what the whole structure looks like. For the loft, I have some leftover cardboard piece. I'm going to take this as the loft. So we're going to measure it. I am deciding to put the loft just below the window. So I have marked it, now let's cut it out. I've cut out the loft piece and it fits just perfectly inside. So you can see there's a little space left out, and that's actually how the structure is. Now I'm going to cut a small piece from the corner of the loft because I need space for the ladder to come. So I'm going to cut in the L shape, like this. I've cut out that L shape. It's gonna look like this. So next we're gonna make the divider. I'm taking one of the flaps and cutting both ends. So this is how it looks. I'm going to mark a small square on the divider and cut it out. This is optional. So we're ready with the loft and the divider. Now we're going to cover all the cardboard pieces we cut, including the house. I'm gonna choose light blue for one side of the house, and the other side we're gonna take dark blue. I'm also gonna use white paper too. Now I'm gonna show you how to cover it. You're gonna leave some space behind the box. Now I'm marking the windows to cut it out, and we'll have a clean edge. Take a piece of double-sided tape and stick it underneath. Peel it off. Now I'm going to put double-sided tape all over the box. Now carefully take your time and stick it on the box. And now fold those flaps underneath. Now firmly give it a rub. Nicely fold those edges. This is how it looks like on all the sides. You can see I have folded the flaps inside. That's going to be stuck with tape. I want to show you how to cover those edges. Fold the flaps, excess piece of paper on the sides neatly. Cut out slits on all corners. Now fold the flap to the inner part of the box nicely. Take a piece of tape, put it inside, and stick that flap. Take another piece and stick it. Now all you gotta do is repeat the same at all four sides. Now if your box is not strong, take a piece of tape and stick it from the inside of your box. Now I'm going to do the outside. Now I have made the back part strong. Now you gotta crease the edges of the box to get a nice edge. Repeat on all sides. Now take a piece of tape and stick the flap onto the box. Cut off the excess, and it's done. We have finished covering one side. Now all you gotta do is repeat on all sides the same process, and this is how it looks. I've covered the inside 3 walls and outside all walls. Only top and bottom left. I have some excess white paper. I'm gonna cover the floor with that. Mark and cut. I repeated the same on the top too. And now it's completely covered. The back, the bottom, the 2 sides. As I told, I used 2 different colors. I covered the divider. As I told, I covered up the hole. If you want, you can punch it out, but I don't want it, so I covered up the hole. Now I'm using this the opposite direction. It's not like first what I showed. You only need to cover the front part, not the bottom part. Now we're gonna stick the loft and the divider onto the house. You need adult supervision while using hot glue. I applied glue on the back edge and the bottom edge. Now, I'm going to stick the loft by applying glue on top of the divider. And we're done. See you next time. Bye.